I'm very excited to meet all my students here.
I came in last winter semester and I was admitted to T course at Student College of Paderborn.
And my experience was Amritpal Vision was very smooth, very great.
Amritpal Vision, who have been accompanying me from Frankfurt International Airport, and I'm with them here. The process with them has been really fantastic.
So these kinds of events help us in networking and socializing with other people.
My experience with Amritpal Vision has been very great and smooth. They have helped me a lot with my journey. And if you guys also want to come to Germany, you can definitely contact them. They are very good.
So this is the power of our socializing event in entire Germany. Hey everyone, this is Amritpal. Right now we are here at Studienkolleg Paderborn, and right now we are going for our one of the event, which is a student meetup here in Paderborn on 8th May 2025. We have many students here from Amritpal Vision. The idea behind doing this type of meetup is क्योंकि हमारे हर intake में अलग-अलग students आते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि वो एक दूसरे से मिले. आज मेरे साथ में नए 6 students आए हैं from India in May 2025 intake. So जो पुराने student थे 2024 September intake वाले, वो students मिलेंगे, बात करेंगे, applications discuss होंगी, और हाँ सबसे important चीज़ है जो network चाहिए जर्मनी में, friends चाहिए, वो आज बनेंगे. ऐसे event से हम लोग ये काम करते हैं so that students एक दूसरे से घुले मिले अच्छी तरीके से रहें. So मेरे साथ है अमनप्रीत and all my lovely students here. So now we will be going to one of the Indian restaurant here in Paderborn, and then we will be doing little bit of party, not much drinking guys, only mango lassi.
So yes, I'm very excited to meet all my students here. सबने बहुत अच्छा वेलकम किया, बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार डेफिनेटली हमें हर बार हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मिलता है. एंड यस, जब हम आज डिनर करने जा रहे हैं सो देखो कितनी ज़्यादा मस्ती होती है. जो कंसल्टेंसी वाला पार्ट है वो तो ऑलरेडी इंडिया में ख़त्म हो चुका है. सो अभी यहाँ पे जो मेन पार्ट है दैट इज़ नेटवर्किंग, एंड आगे के जो फर्दर स्टेप्स है वो कैसे हमें परफॉर्म करने हैं. सो यस, लेट्स ईट टुगेदर.
मेरा नाम गुरनीत, मैं चंडीगढ़ से आया हूँ और मैं अमृतपाल के थ्रू आया था और सब बहुत अच्छा था, स्मूथ प्रोसेस था.
I'm Kavishwa Shukla from Varanasi, and I am enrolled at T course Paderborn. And my experience was Amritpal Vision was very smooth, very great. And these types of events help us to connect with different new upcomers, and we can guide them. And it also helps us to build new connections.
Hi, my name is Prinsya. I'm from Mumbai, India, obviously, and I'm currently enrolled at the T course at International Student College Paderborn. And by far, I've had a really peaceful experience. I've not really suffered from any kind of problems or any discomfort. So I'm really grateful for this.
Hi, this is Ananya Vadva. I'm enrolled at the T course at Student College Paderborn, and I'm here with Amritpal Vision team. And I'm really happy because this process was very smooth and seamless.
Hello, I am Khushi Agarwal. I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I am in T course and came in winter semester 2024. My experience with Amritpal Vision was really great. The process was really smooth, and today we are at Indian restaurant. So these kinds of events help us in networking and socializing with other people. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ayush Banerjee, and I'm here at the Indian restaurant at Paderborn with Amritpal Vision, who have been accompanying me from Frankfurt International Airport, and I'm with them here. The process with them has been really fantastic, and I'll start my studies at the Studienkolleg at the University of Paderborn this summer semester 2025. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Parth Patel, and I'm from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I'm currently studying T course in Student College Paderborn, and Amritpal Vision has helped me find accommodation in Paderborn.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Khatri. I'm from Mohali, Punjab. Right now I'm studying at Student College Paderborn in T course. My experience with Amritpal Vision has been very great and smooth. They have helped me a lot with my journey. And if you guys also want to come to Germany, you can definitely contact them. They are very good. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nishit from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Currently, I'm pursuing Studienkolleg at University of Paderborn, and everything is going good. Special thanks to Amritpal Vision. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Aditya Chaudhary. I'm from Faridabad, Haryana. I came in last winter semester and I was admitted to T course at Student College of Paderborn. My entire visa process was like completely seamless. I had no problem in any aspect. And if you want to come to Germany, you can definitely contact Amritpal sir and his team. They are very helpful. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rishit. I'm from Calcutta, West Bengal. I'm enrolled in double course summer semester in University of Paderborn, and if you're coming to Germany, I recommend you Amritpala Vision. Yeah.
Hey guys, this is Rahul here from Tamil Nadu. I've currently enrolled myself at the Student College Paderborn, and we are currently here at an Indian restaurant connecting with each other. So if you want to come to Germany, I highly recommend Amritpala Vision. That's been a really grateful experience with them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Veda on this side, and I'm from Hyderabad, and I've been doing my T course in Paderborn Student College, and I would highly recommend you guys to choose Amritpala Vision because first of all it takes you through every process in detail and tells you every detail.
Hello, Vansh this side here. I'll be starting my student college in Paderborn this semester, and I highly recommend Amritpal as it has helped me through thick and thin, and see you soon in Germany. Thank you.
So this was our meetup here in Paderborn Student College. You can see all of our students enjoying, socializing, connecting with each other. Students who just came to Germany in this intake, they are connecting with the students who are here from Amritpala Vision in the last intake. So this is the power of our socializing event in entire Germany. Soon. Bye. So hello everyone, we are just coming from Paderborn and going to Frankfurt again, where we are staying in the hotel. And I was just talking to Amanpreet that Amanpreet, we are doing this. Do you think so that anybody else is doing this?
It's 12 degrees.
And anybody else is doing this? I don't know anybody on internet or on YouTube who is going to several different universities, visiting different cities, doing meetups with the students and meeting 9-year-old students, 10-year-old students who came to Germany. So I think so the job what we are doing, it's not just visa or admission. So the value what we are bringing to you, bringing in your career, I think so once you will realize that okay, the value what we have given to you, it's outstanding.
It is actually the experience what we are giving to them.
Yes.
Because since not all the parents can come to Germany, right? And then not all the parents come to know that what exactly is the scenario here. Not all the children know before they are landing to Germany. So we are actually making the awareness that once you are here in Germany, बहुत सारे दिन आपके अच्छे भी जाएंगे, बहुत सारे दिन आपके खराब भी जाएंगे. तो वो जब खराब फेज आता है, राइट? जब यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा विंटर्स आती है, तो स्टूडेंट्स वर टेलिंग मी जब विंटर्स आती है तब यहाँ का वो देखने वाला होता है सिनेरियो कि बहुत शांत हो जाता है, 2 बजे ही शाम हो जाती है. सो इट इज़ ऑल दैट. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज़ एक्चुअली वी आर मेकिंग जस्ट फॉर द पेरेंट्स एंड फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू नो दैट एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या चीज़ें हमको पहले से प्रिपेयर्ड रहनी है.
So after waiting for 1 hour, our train has finally arrived and we will be reaching Frankfurt at 2 o'clock. तो आप लोग पूछते हो ना आपकी फ़ीस क्यों इतनी ज़्यादा है, तो देखो कोई कंसल्टेंट रात को 2 बजे 3 बजे आपके लिए आपकी सिटी में नहीं जाएगा, आपके साथ नहीं होगा खड़ा, राइट? इतनी ठंडी में कोई थुथर नहीं रहा होगा. सो हम लोग बताते बताते थक जाते हैं कि भाई हमारा काम सिर्फ वीज़ा एडमिशन तक का नहीं है. वीज़ा एडमिशन के अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, ठीक है? उसी के अलावा सारी वीज़ा एडमिशन कोई भी कर सकता है. इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है कि आपके साथ में खड़े होना, और रोज़ रात को 2-3 बजे आना अलग अलग सिटीज़ से जाके, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट, राइट? बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. सो हमारे लिए हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और हम जो आपको सर्विस देंगे दैट इज़ नॉट जस्ट लिमिटेड टू आपका एडमिशन और आपका वीज़ा. अगर आप सोच रहे हो एडमिशन वीज़ा का इतना पैसा है, तो एडमिशन वीज़ा का कुछ भी नहीं है. इम्पॉर्टेंट है आफ्टर लैंडिंग सर्विसेज, राइट? डीमोटिवेटेड स्टूडेंट्स हो जाते हैं इधर आके, उनको मोटिवेट करना, जो भटक जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स उनको फिर से पाथ पे लाना, ये सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट काम होते हैं मेंटर के. एडमिशन वीज़ा कोई भी करवा देगा, वो बड़ी बात नहीं है. सो गाइस, कल मिलेंगे एक नए ब्लॉग के साथ, नई सिटी के साथ और नई यूनिवर्सिटी में. सी यू सून एंड बाय बाय.
So this is our first level. with the Seminarum 1 and 2. Okay, so currently we do have here 2 T classes. This is our top level, so again we do have a classroom here and a classroom there. This is our campus, as you can see. Over there is the University of Paderborn, the university's campus.
The campus is also like expanding. You can like maybe see out there, we're like getting bigger and bigger. And as well from the cafeteria, you get like a huge discount because you're a student.